In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize labels and tags on Monday.com to organize your boards, track progress more clearly, and filter your work in seconds. If you've ever felt like your board is getting cluttered or hard to manage, this tutorial will help you clean things up and work much more efficiently. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to search tags across all boards for better collaboration. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with labels, which are managed through the status column. Labels are perfect for tracking progress, priority, or task state. First, go to your board in Monday.com. Scroll across your columns and check if you already have a status column. If you don't see one, click the plus sign that says Add Column, then select Status. That will instantly create a new status column on your board. Now let's customize your labels. Click on the status column header. Then click on Column Settings, which appears as a small arrow in the menu. From there, choose Edit Labels. This is where you can fully control how your workflow looks. You can rename labels to match your process. For example, changing Working on it to In Progress. You can recolor labels to visually separate priorities, add new labels for additional stages, or remove any that you don't need. This flexibility makes it easy to tailor the board to your exact workflow. To update a label on an item, simply click inside any cell in the status column. A drop-down will appear, and you can select the appropriate label, such as Done, Stuck, High Priority, or whatever you've created. This becomes your main progress indicator and gives your team instant visual clarity. You can also use labels for filtering. At the top of your board, click on Filter. Select the status column, then choose the specific labels you want to display. This is incredibly useful when you only want to see tasks that are stuck, high priority, or completed. It keeps your focus sharp and removes distractions. Now let's move on to tags, which work a little differently but are just as powerful. Tags are great for cross-functional organization and connecting items across multiple boards. To add a tags column, scroll all the way to the right of your board and click Add Column. In the search bar, type Tags, then click Add. You'll now see a tags column added to your board. To add tags to an item, click any cell in the tags column. Start typing a keyword, such as Client A, Marketing, or Urgent. Press Enter to create a brand new tag. If the tag already exists, you can select it from the drop-down list instead of creating a duplicate. One important thing to remember is that tags are shared across all boards in your account. That means when you create a tag once, it becomes available everywhere. Just like with labels, you can filter by tags. Click the filter button at the top of your board, select the tags column, and choose the specific tag or tags you want to see. Instantly, your board narrows down to only items connected by that keyword. This is especially useful for campaign tracking, client work, or cross-department projects. Now here's a powerful feature many people overlook. You can search tags across all boards using the Search Everything bar at the top of your screen. Simply type the tag name and Monday.com will show you every board and item associated with that tag. This is perfect for multi-team collaboration because it gives you a bird's-eye view of related work across your entire workspace. So to quickly recap, use status labels for tracking progress and workflow stages within a board, and use tags for grouping and connecting items across boards. When used together, they create a highly organized and searchable system that saves time and reduces confusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.